When it comes to the maintenance of your RV, think of most things to be done on an annual basis. Whether you do it yourself or have an RV dealer do it, it's good to have the roof and the windows and door openings inspected for anywhere that the seals may have been compromised. Most RVs now come with a rubber roof, and that should be cleaned thoroughly once a year, and there's a special treatment you can purchase at any RV parts store. This treatment will keep the rubber pliable and stop it from deteriorating over time. When it comes to your motorized RV, they follow the same type of maintenance schedules that your car does. Just look at the chassis manufacturer's maintenance schedule and follow it when it comes to oil changes, tune-ups, tires and brakes, those kinds of items. For towable RVs, it's important to have the axles lubed once a year. Most will have easy lube axles where there's a dust cap that's removed and there'll be a grease nipple. So whether you do that yourself or have a gas station do it, put fresh grease in once a year. At the end of the season, it's important to make sure that all the water's drained from the plumbing systems and then antifreeze put through. That's called winterizing your RV. In the springtime, where your fridge, your furnace, your water heater, they all vent to the outside. It's important to inspect those areas for excess dirt buildup, cobwebs, and even birds' nests. Most people will store their motorhomes for the winter. It's best to store it on a gravel parking lot or a paved parking lot and avoid storing them on grass. A few things about storing your RV. It's important to leave a vent open. This allows the RV to breathe and stops moisture buildup. There's a device called a MaxAir that you can install over an existing roof vent, and then you can not worry about rain and snow coming in the RV. It's important for motorized RVs to at least start them once a month, and if your motorhome does have a generator, run the generator for about 10 or 15 minutes as well. For most RVs, for the house batteries, as in all towables, it's good to remove the batteries and store them in a warm, dry place and store them on wood, not on pavement. Mice, as you know, can get into the tiniest of openings. There's a lot of suggestions of what to keep mice out of your RV. One thing that I like to suggest is a dryer sheet, like a bounce sheet. It smells nice and it actually does keep mice away. One thing important is to just keep your RV clean. On a regular basis, clean it inside and clean it outside. It'll protect your investment and your RV will look great for years to come.